In this video, I'm going to share with you a Bangkok condo that you could currently rent for about 15,000 baht per month, which is only about 480 US dollars. And the size of the unit is about 30 square meters, which is approximately 322 square feet. So the name of the condo complex is the Nest Sukhumvit 22 condominium complex. And there also is a BTS close by. The name of the BTS station is the BTS Prompong station, and the subway station nearby is the MRT Queen Sirikit station. And thank you so much for Capital One Keller Williams Thailand for letting me shoot this condo complex. If you're interested in contacting them, feel free to contact them. The link is in the description below. So let's go check out the condo. Hey, so now we're out here at the condo, so let's come and check it out. So as you can see, it's pretty nice. You got your dining table right here. Very cool, very cool. And then you do got a pretty large Samsung TV. I would say this is probably maybe a 43-inch television, if I had to guess myself. And you do got a little bit of storage here for yourself. And check out the wood floors. They're not real wood, it's laminate, but it is pretty luxurious looking, so that's always good. And you do have your couch over here with a little table here for yourself. And this is always good too, that you have a aircon unit. So you got an aircon unit in your living room, and then you also got an aircon unit in your room. And also make sure to stick around until the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you the pool and gym and also some footage from the surrounding areas. So let's come and check out the bathroom real quick. So go check out the bathroom. You can see it's very clean, very nice. Cool. And then this is the bedroom over here. So you got your bedroom over here with a little bit of a view of the city. Not too much of a view, but a little bit of a view, as you can see right there. Very cool, very nice. And I do like that headboard right there. And you do have a little desk right here that you can work on some of your business stuff, or if you're a student, you can also work on your homework there. So let's go check out the kitchen and the patio. So this is actually kind of unique. I wasn't actually expecting the kitchen to look like this, because most kitchens are kind of long. So this one is a little interesting because the kitchen is kind of more compact. So you do have your refrigerator here for you, Samsung refrigerator. I always love Samsung products. But I almost think that you have more space when it's like this, because when it's kind of long, it doesn't seem like you have that much room because it's not so deep. But this one seems like you actually have a pretty good amount of space. So you got your electric stove here with your induction fan right there, which is very nice. I wasn't expecting the unit to have that, but it does have it. And then you got a lot of storage up here. And then check the view out real quick. So that's the view that you got out there. You can go check out the patio. And then you do have your washing machine right there for you. So let's go check out the pool. As you can see, it's actually pretty nice. Unfortunately, it is raining, so I might get a little rain on my head. But as you can see, the water is very clear. Lots of lounging area. And I really do like that lion head right there. It makes the place look a lot more luxurious. Floorboards, kind of a cool gray color. Do have to be careful walking on it when it's raining. Plants. Yeah, very nice. Now let's go check out this seating area over here too. You got a little child area for your kids. Yeah, very nice. And it doesn't look like you can smoke in this area. There's a sign that says no smoking. But I guess it is a pretty cool place that you could come just to relax. Maybe have some coffee or something like that. Yeah, no smoking, no alcohol, no food, and no loud speaking. A very nice view. Good place to do some business transactions too right here. You can talk about business and all that good stuff. So let's go check out the gym. So this is the entrance to the gym here. Open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. There's me. So you can see they got some pretty good equipment here. You got your chest press, leg press, which is really good because not a lot of places have leg press machines. Not a lot of condo gyms have leg press machines. You got your bicycle there. Then you got your treadmills and your weights over there. And it does look like you actually got an area outside. So let's check this out real quick. Yeah, pretty cool kind of patio lounge area out here. Got some nice trees. They also have a pretty cool lobby area. So let's go check out some of the surrounding area of the condo complex. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, the name of the place is The Nest, Sukhumvit 22. And you can currently rent this condo for about 15,000 baht per month, which is only about 480 US dollars. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.